Let's talk about Apollo Air Bay Bread Bin Roll Top. Roll top, bread bin, Rubberwood, assembled, strong. Looks good in my kitchen. Keeps bread fresh. Arrived earlier than expected. Good value. Very nice bread bin, solid wood with good build, works as described. Inside you can fit a decent amount of bread or rolls, perfect for my needs. I would have given higher star rating for this product. But unfortunately Hermes the couriers threw the bin over the garden fence, causing slight damage to the bin as it is in a cupboard and cannot be seen. I have not returned the item. This is the second time Hermes have delivered items that have been delivered damaged, a 100 record. Companies beware of using this courier, as it appears they do not consider the purchaser when delivering items to them. Bread bin functions properly and perhaps is a sign of how well it has been manufactured, as considering what it has been through.